we're doing berry picking today. Let's go and see if we can pick some other berries. I'll pick some already, and we're going to pick some more if we want. Got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. I think we need a bit too tiny. Ooh. And if we can, you can't just do this. Be a bit careful. I got 2 down there. Oh. I need to put this one. I can't get that one. Sorry. Yep. Down there. Oh, I found a big tree over there. Good. That's a big one there. Oh, you be a bit careful on these. Oh. Get away. I found one. Oh. There's some over here. There's some down here actually, look. 1. Oh. Got one. And we've got one over here. And we've got one over here. And we've got one over here. Look how many we've got. So we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6. Let's put them in the bowl. There is some berries up there. So what we're going to put a leg first, and we're going to reach up. I'm full. 1. And we put that in the bowl. 1. I got 2. I got 1 there. I can't reach down. This is a big one. Well, I got 4 now. That is amazing. The red ones you can't pick because they're not ready yet. But these ones over here, you can pick. Oh. I got them. Ooh. I got 1 more left. Oh, I think if we stand back, guys, yeah, and I'll do it myself. Oh, that one fell. I got it. That was not a big one. To relax. Wow, I'm picking so many berries. These are so many. These are sticking into, so don't touch them. But you be careful. Look at these big berries. We haven't picked yet. Let's pick them. Wow, there's so many. There's so many. I think we're going to fill this bowl up today. If you want to make some, we can. We're going to use these to bake apple and berry crumble. Watch this video, please. And now we're going to be picking apples for the apple and berry crumble. Let's go and pick some. Well, these are some apples. Oh look. Oh, apple tree. I thought these aren't ready yet. Those are nice. Do you mind that, please? Up. I see one here, but this is an apple. Hey, get away. The apple. I got one. There's another one. Oh, that one. Oh, God. I keep putting them away. hold them for now. Yeah, I got some. Oh, I got some. It looks like there's some. We're going to put them in the basket. I don't see any. Oh, there's some down there. Sorry guys, I just got stuck. There's some over here. Look. There's some over here. There's some over here. Ready? We're going to count to 1, 2. I got it. Now we're going to put it in the box. We've got enough apples for the apple and berry crumble. Let's go and make it. Yeah. Please hit the red subscribe button and let's go have a blast.